Ever wondered how to reset and rejuvenate your body in a way that's both healthy and enjoyable? Welcome back to Fit to Fab. I'm your guide on this journey to wellness. Today we're diving into the Fit to Fab 5-day detox plan. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's embark on this journey to fabulousness. Life, as we know, can sometimes be a whirlwind of activities, leaving our bodies in need of a reset. This is where the 5-day detox plan steps in. It's a straightforward yet effective method to initiate your transformation to feeling fabulous, both inside and out. Before we delve into the plan, it's essential to understand the science of detoxification. Our bodies are naturally equipped to flush out toxins, but occasionally they could use a little help. By integrating certain foods and habits into our lifestyle, we can boost our body's detoxification processes, thus enhancing overall wellness. Now, it's time to pull back the curtain on the Fit to Fab 5-day detox plan. This plan aims to nourish your body, amplify your energy levels, and leave you feeling invigorated. Remember, this isn't about deprivation. It's about fueling your body with the nutrients it needs. Here's a quick breakdown. Day 1, cleanse and hydrate. Day 2, green goodness day. Day 3, rainbow of colors. Day 4, gut health boost. Day 5, mindful eating. To guarantee your success, I've compiled some handy tips and tricks to make this detox journey even more enjoyable. From meal prepping to staying hydrated, these nifty hacks will keep you motivated and on track throughout the week. Now, let's hear from some of our fabulous community members who have already taken the Fit to Fab 5-day detox plan for a spin. Their experiences and transformations are genuinely inspiring. As we wrap up this detox adventure, remember that it's not just about the 5 days. It's about embracing healthier habits for the long haul. Thank you for joining me on this journey to feeling fit and fabulous. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and share your detox stories in the comments below. Until next time, stay fabulous.